Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. This is your 7th SST class. So everyone take your SST book A and open page number 77. Now we are reading chapter number 6, Our Country. In the previous classes, we came to know about our national symbols like national flower, national fruit, national animal, national river, etc. And now we will discuss on a new topic, that is national festivals. So which festivals are known as national festivals? Festivals that are celebrated all over the country, means by all the people who live in that country, that festivals are known as national festivals. Some examples of national festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day. Independence Day. This festival is celebrated all over the country by all the people of our country, so that this festival is known as national festival. Okay? Now we will read about this about Independence Day in detail. So students, we celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. Why we celebrate this day on 15th August? Because India got freedom. India got freedom from the British and became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. So for this reason, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Okay, so this day is very much important for all Indian. And every year on this day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort and addresses the nation. We also host our national flag on Independence Day in our school in the morning. Okay, so we will discuss about Republic Day. It is another important day and another national festival of our country. We celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January. Okay, so this festival is coming soon. Today is 17th January and we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. So this festival is coming soon. And why we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January? Because India became a republic country on 26th January 1950. প্রজাতান্ত্রিক দেশ ইন্ডিয়া প্রজাতান্ত্রিক দেশ হিসাবে পরিণত হয়েছিল বা ঘোষিত হয়েছিল 1950-তে 26th জানুয়ারিতে. সো we celebrate this day as Republic Day. Next, everyone turn over the page and open page number 78. Look, this is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi or Gandhiji. Now we will discuss on Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, we all know about Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869, and we celebrate this day, means this 2nd October, as Gandhi Jayanti every year. Okay, to honor we celebrate this day 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti because Mahatma Gandhi was born on this day, and he is known as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi, he is also known as Bapu, and he led the fight for freedom of our country against the British rule, and he believed in non-violence and ahimsa. Okay, his full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So now students, in this class we learned about 3 national festivals of our country, that are Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October and Republic Day on 26th January. So these 3 days are important for all Indian. Now you will read this portion from your SST book A, page number 77 and 78. Thank you.